Alrighty, so for this video, I'm going to quick show you how to do a knockout with text. So we're going to start with these lovely oranges as our background layer. And then what I am first going to do is I am just going to drop a shape in here. And you can change the colors of your shapes, obviously. I think I'm going to go with, let's just, because my font's going to be black, but I'll show you how to change that later. Let's just go with black. And I am going to just drop in my shape here. Boom. Okay, so I now have two layers. I have a rectangle layer and I have layer 0, which is my background layer. And so the next thing I need to add is my text. So I'm going to pop on over here. I'm going to drag in my text box. It's going to give me a bunch of filler font that I don't want. And right away I am going to change my font to white just so that I can see it. I'm going to delete my filler font and then I'm going to type in my word. So I'm just going to type in orange. Now this is too big, so I need to adjust the size. Go with that. Oh, I apparently typed oranges. Look at me typing oranges. Okay. Alright, and you can also mess with your font. So maybe I'll just go with this one because it's nice and big and bold. Go team. Now I am going to move it so that it's nice and dead center in my little box here. And then what I do is I go over to the layer itself and I right click and click blending options. Right here it says knockout. I'm going to bump that down to shallow. And then this is the opacity that you want to mess with, not this one. And you're going to bring this all the way down and click OK. Now, if yours is one of the ones that is doing this, where it's turning into the transparent grid in the background, that's an easy fix. You're just going to select both, so I held shift to select both, and you are going to make them a group. So now I can see through my shape in my font style, and then I can move this layer around behind that shape. And that is how you do a knockout in Adobe Photoshop.